According to Governor Obiano, cult activities is not peculiar to Obosi, and as such, information gathering will be intensified in the coming days as plans are on to raid the hideout of criminals and violence perpetrators. The governor reminded them that the last major erosion control project in Obosi has engulfed about 2.3 billion naira, assuring that he will do more interventions within the remaining years of his administration.
Obosi Anayolu, Obosi Oban, Obosi Inland, and the Metu Nofuma, Atawan Kangwani Obosi, Atiswa election on one, Atamania, Ali Tonzo,
The national chairman of ABGA, Chief Victor Oye, called on Ndi Obosi to unite and deliver all ABGA candidates.
Ndi Obosi, every night again, they want to go on Chalabahia. Obosi no Karaka. Ono Togo to Nanoleba, no Chelevo to no. Makono score, even President score no. And you know the Magan and your governor and the wife.
Responding, the traditional ruler of Obosi, Eze Iweka, who said that peace and unity are important for progress to thrive, accepted apologies tendered by Mr. Omezie Chukura, who revealed that more than 60 people had been killed in the area, urging youths to stop all cult activities in the community. Stakeholders in the area, including the member representing Idemli North in the State House of Assembly, Mrs. Nkole Mebwaneze, former Defense Minister, Engineer Dan Chuke, Provost of College of Health Technology Obosi, Dr. Mechi Mbakogu, among others, rooted for the party which they described as people and development-oriented. Projects in Obosi were earlier highlighted by the Commissioner for Works, Mr. Marcel Ifejiofo, represented by the Managing Director of Anambra State Road Maintenance Agency, AMA, Mr. Emeka Okoye, which he said makes it imperative for the people to continue supporting ABGA to continue its good works. The governor was accompanied by his wife, Chief Mrs. Ebelejukwu Obiano, frontline party candidates in the area, and stakeholders, while ABGA solidarity songs and anthem featured at the event. From Afadike Stadium, Obosi, Ejike Abana, ABS News.